compound interest calculated yearly at 10% on a certain sum of money amount rupees 665.50 in the 5th year. Okay, the question is calculate compound interest for the 6th year at the same rate and on the same sum. Okay, second question is compound interest for the 4th year on the same sum at the same sum. Okay, compound is the same rate. They're not sum. This is same rate and at the same sum. The rate of interest is same. Okay. First, the calculate here P is equal to 665.50. Okay. R is equal to 10. Okay. Compounded calculate yearly for the 5th year, 5 years. This is the same amount. Okay. Calculate for the 6th year. For the compound interest for the 6th year. 6th year is 5th year principal amount plus 10% of its principal. Okay, here P is the principal. What is the 5th year amount? 5th year amount is same. That is for 5th year this is given 665.50 plus 10% of this principal. What is the value? That is 66 rupees 55 paise. 66.55. So that is equal to the sum is this is rupees 5, 10, 12, okay, 12, 13, 732.05. Rupees 732.05 pies. Okay, that is this amount. Okay. So this is a compound interest for the 6th year. The first question answer. Second question, what they are asking is compound interest for the 4th year on the same rate and the same sum. We don't know the value of 4th year compound interest. So compound interest for the 4th year, that is equal to, we don't know, that is the value of x. Okay, so 5th year compound interest. Okay, 5th year compound interest is equal to given 665.50. So 66.50 is equal to 4th year compound interest. Okay, 4th year compound interest. 4th year compound interest plus 10% of its compound interest. Okay, so that is the amount. So 4th year amount. 4th year amount is we don't know. What is the amount? We don't know. And that is x. This is equal to 665.50 is equal to 4x plus 10% of x. Okay. So that is the thing we have to do it. So sorry, this is not 4x. This is x. 5th year, 4th year, we don't know, that is x. X is equal to x plus 10% of x. So I can rewrite like this: x plus x into 10 divided by 100. Okay, that is x into 10 divided by 100. So again I simplify. This is x plus x into 10 divided by 10. Okay, divided by 10. That is equal to, this is 10. 10x plus x, 10x plus 1x, x, that is equal to 11x by 10. So 665.50 is equal to 11x by 10 because we don't know the value of fourth year compound interest. Fourth year compound interest we don't know. So fifth year compound interest is fourth year compound interest plus 10% of its compound interest. That will be the value. Okay, we simplify it. 665.50 is equal to 11 by 10. So that is 665.50 into 10 divided by 11. That is equal to rupees 605. So rupees 605 is the compound interest for the third year. This is the compound interest for the fourth year. That is the question. Okay. First question answer is 732.05. This is the first question answer. Second question answer, we don't know the compound interest for the fourth year, hence we put in x. Okay, that x plus 10% of x. Simplify it. That we know the fifth year compound interest, that is given in the problem 665.50. So that is equal to 11x by 10. Okay, you simplify it, you will get rupees 605 is the compound interest for the second, that is fourth year. That is the question. This is the second question answer. This way you have to work out this problem.